Alright everyone, let's begin unboxing the Xbox One X, One TV. And we have, actually, this is going to be a complete full setup of extremeness, so just hold on, buckle up, and enjoy the unboxing and setting up. These are all the paperwork, I guess, that it comes with Division 2 and a few months of Game Pass and stuff. Yeah, that's okay. You know, all this stuff. So let's get right into it and hold on and enjoy. That looks sleek, lovely. Okay, power, USB 3, HDMI 2, and Ethernet, and of course, I have no idea what that audio is called. So I'll be setting it up under the desk, below the TV, and that's why it's really crammed up in there. Sorry about that, but this is where all the wires and everything go in and all that cable management stuff. So that's where you'll see everything. It is on and it's go time. Alright, preparing console. I guess it's gonna be a while when it updates and everything, so we will be right back. And thus the setup begins. I'm not gonna show you all this process because it's the same thing setting up like a new Xbox, but this is what the initial setup looks like. I'll just fast forward it and I'll see you when we're done. And now the next step is we keep it energy saving for the surprise. Look at that. Since it's a 4K TV, it automatically detects that, and then it tells us whether we want to keep it at 4K or default 1080p. Because we want to enjoy the complete 4K, that's what it is. It's the 4K display. And that for you guys is the Xbox One X with 4K display unboxing and setup. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Peace out.